Hi everyone, if you're having a trouble importing .mkv files into DaVinci Resolve, here's a quick fix. Let's get started. When you try to import an mkv file into DaVinci Resolve, nothing happens. That's because DaVinci can't read that file type. In order to fix this issue, you need to download a free program called Handbrake and open it. Then after that, click and drag your MKV file into Handbrake. Then click on Browse to choose where you want to save the new file. Now click the Start Encode, and Handbrake will begin converting your file. And once finished, you can drag your converted file directly in DaVinci Resolve for editing. And that's it. Now you can easily edit MKV files in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.